Aloha, I'm Ariana. Welcome to my channel, Miss Vinyasa. Today we'll begin standing. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, bring your hands in prayer at heart center. Inhale, reach the arms up again. Exhale, swan dive the heart, forward fold. Inhale to a half lift, reach your crown away from your hips, nice flat back. Exhale, forward fold again. Place the hands down, step back to plank. Inhale, shift forward, exhale, lower to the mat. Inhale, cobra, lift head and heart, shoulders back. Exhale, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Bottom of the exhale, step forward, top of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, upward salute, stand tall. Exhale, hands in prayer, heart center. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, fold forward, lead with the heart, hinge at the hips. Inhale, half lift, bring the hands down, step back to plank. Exhale, lower to the mat, keep your shoulder heads lifted. Inhale, cobra, anchor toe tops. Exhale, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, right knee to right tricep. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, right knee to left tricep. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, up and back, open the hip. Then step the right foot forward into runner's lunge. Tacking the right hip back, reach the heart forward. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Inhale, reach the arms up for crescent pose. Pull the low ribs in, reach up through the crown and the fingertips. Exhale, soften in your jaw. Bring the hands down, step back, plank. Inhale, shift forward, exhale, lower to the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down dog. And breathe. Second side, left leg lifts. Exhale, left knee to left tricep, hold and hover. Inhale, reach it up and back. Exhale, left knee to right tricep, hold and hover. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, knee to nose, engage the core. Inhale, up and back, open the hip. Then tuck the knee in and step the foot forward. Runner's lunge. Tack the left hip back, reach the heart forward. Deep breath in, reach the arms up for crescent pose. Bring hands behind the back, interlace, lift the heart. Release the hands down, step back, plank. Inhale, shift forward, exhale, lower to the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child's pose, and breathe. Arms can be extended out in front of you or wrapped around the body. Inhale, come back to tabletop. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Maybe pedal the heels, opening hamstrings. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, low lunge twist. Step the right foot forward, lower the back knee down. Right hand to right knee, gazing back over the right shoulder. Maybe reach back for the back foot for a quad stretch. Release the right hand down inside the front foot. We'll walk the hands back towards the back of the mat, right arm overhead for a side plank variation. Bring the hands back down, walk them forward, half split, bow over long leg. Feel free to stay in the half split or take a full split using any props as needed. Then we'll bring the left foot in towards the right inner thigh for a side stretch. Then we'll turn to face the extended leg and fold forward for head to knee pose. Be here and breathe, coming back to that steady rhythm of your Ujjayi breath. Inhale, slowly make your way back up. We'll take a twist, right hand outside the left knee, left hand back behind you like a kickstand. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. Exhale, twist. We'll unwind. Bring that left leg forward. Sitting right on your sits bones, lengthen through your spine. On an exhale, fold forward, Paschimottanasana. Inhale, slowly roll up. We'll bring the legs underneath, coming back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, low lunge twist. Step the left foot forward, lower the back knee down. Bring the left hand to the left knee and gaze over the left shoulder. Maybe reach back for the back foot, quad stretch. Release the back foot, bring the hands inside the front foot. Walk the hands towards the back of the mat, side plank variation, lift the left arm overhead. Bring hands back towards the front of the mat for a half split, Ardha Hanumanasana. Option to stay here in the half split or take the full split. Again, using any props as needed. Then we'll have a seat, bringing the right foot inside the left inner thigh for a side body stretch. Left arm comes down to the mat, right arm overhead. Now turn to face the extended leg. Inhale, half lift, exhale, head to knee pose, and breathe. Slowly sit up. We'll take a twist. Left hand outside, right knee. Right hand back behind you. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. We'll turn to face the front of the mat and then lower down onto the back. Hug your knees in towards your chest and rock side to side. Now bring soles of the feet together for Supta Butterfly pose. Right hand comes to your belly, left hand to your heart. Working with a 3-part breath. Inhale, expand low belly. Draw the air into the rib cage and then your upper chest. Exhale from your upper chest to your ribs, back down into the low belly. Inhale, again, low belly, ribs, heart lifts. Exhale, let it all go. Draw the knees back together. Maybe taking feet as wide as the mat, windshield wiper your knees from side to side. Just giving a light compression of the sacrum into the mat. Then getting ready in bridge prep, walk your heels in towards your sits bones. Fingertips should just be able to touch the backs of the heels. Lift the hips, interlace the hands underneath, walk your elbows in towards your spine, bridge pose. Creating a little space there in the throat, be there and breathe. Maybe bring hands underneath the low back for more support. Could try lifting a leg, then the other. Bumping the hips up and over for plow pose. Maybe interlace hands. Be gentle here on your neck, getting a nice stretch in the low back. If you'd like, you can take this into shoulder stand, bring hands to the low back, eventually low ribs. Bring the legs up 90 degrees. When you're ready to come back down, return to plow. Tone in your pelvic floor. Slowly lower down, maybe using your hands behind the low back for support. Slowly lower back down to the mat. Hug the left knee in towards your chest, extend the right leg long. We'll take a half happy baby, reaching for the outer left foot, elbow inside the knee. Anchor the right hip down into the mat. Release the left foot and switch sides. Hug the right knee in, extend the left leg long down on the mat. Half happy baby. Grabbing the outer edge of the foot, elbow inside the right knee. This time anchor the left hip down into the mat. Then release the right leg long, coming into Shavasana. letting the feet spill open to the corners of the mat, palms rolled skyward. Taking a deep breath in, sigh it out the mouth. Let it all go. Letting the body get nice and heavy. When you're ready, bend the knees once more, hug them in towards your chest, rock side to side. Then we'll roll to the right side of the body and inhale, press yourself back up into a seated position with a nice long spine. Bringing hands in prayer, Namaste.